Welcome to our show, everyone. Today, Guillermo shares 6 secrets on how to make mouthwatering hummus. Follow the secrets you'll see here today to make restaurant-style hummus.
Secret number 1. Use good quality chickpeas. This makes a big difference in flavor.
Soak the chickpeas in a large bowl for at least 8 hours. The longer you soak them, the easier to digest the hummus will be. If you're short on time, don't despair. You can just cook them for longer or use a pressure cooker.
Secret number 2. Simmer a bulb of garlic in olive oil.
Slow down, just say the word. Simmer a bulb of garlic in olive oil.
Simmer a bulb of garlic in olive oil for half an hour.
A bulb of garlic is enough to give lots of flavor, but not so much that it's overpowering. Cooking the garlic for a long time assures that it's not overly strong, but adds lots of flavor to the hummus. When you're done soaking your chickpeas, strain them and rinse them well. Put them in a pot with about 2 inches of water above the chickpeas. Don't add the salt yet, because that would lengthen the cooking time. Cook the chickpeas for 45 minutes to an hour. Remove the foam to prevent spillage.
Secret number 3. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This softens the chickpea skins.
You'll see why this is important when we get to secret number 4. The chickpeas are ready when they're very soft, but not coming apart. Strain and rinse them again. Pour them back into the pot. The following secret makes a big difference in the taste of your hummus.
Secret number 4. Remove the skins of the chickpeas.
This is easier to do because the skins have been softened by the baking soda. Put your hands in the water and scoop up some chickpeas. Gently rub them together between your hands to loosen the skins. Do this a few times to loosen as many as you can. Just do it until you run out of patience. Scoop out the skins and strain the chickpeas again. Remove the seeds from your lemon juice. There are a few different ways to do this.
Secret number 5. Toast the cumin seeds.
Add the seeds to a hot pan on medium heat. Constantly stir or jiggle. Toast for about a minute. Grind the seeds with a mortar and pestle. Add the cooked chickpeas to a food processor. You can also use a blender or hand blender. Blend the chickpeas. Add the olive oil and garlic, lemon juice, tahini, cumin, and salt.
Secret number 6. Mix for a long time to make your hummus silky smooth.
As with soups, this is how fine restaurants distinguish themselves. Taste and add more salt if needed. To serve, drizzle with more olive oil and garnish with sumac, paprika, or cayenne pepper. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please subscribe to our channel and like and share this video.